Most side hustles don't work. This one actually do, even if you're starting from zero. A lot of people want to make extra money online, but they think they need experience, they think they need big capital, they think they need skills. But the truth is you don't need any of those for this particular side hustles I'll be telling you. Side hustle are simple, realistic, and also beginner friendly. First side hustle is reselling on WhatsApp or any other social media. This reselling pattern I'm saying simply means that you are selling other people's products and you're also getting your own profit from it. You don't need to own a shop or you don't need to create anything. Just find the product that people are looking for. Just find the product that really sells well and then you post it. Anybody that wants it online, you make payment to the actual owner of the product and then they deliver it. You have your own gain. If you're in WhatsApp, TikTok, Instagram, you make use of all this. You just get the product. If it's clothes, anything like that, just as I'm doing, you just take product, you post it. If people want it, they pay money to you. You send the vendors own money, and then you get your own profit from it. So that's if you're selling. I'm actually talking about. That is also a good side also for you to make money. Why this work is because people buy convenience, not perfection. This next one, you don't even need to even have any product, or you don't even need to even buy product from anybody or do all those online stuff. The next side hustle is mini importation. Yes, you just do this China pre-order kind of thing where you just pre-order affordable things that they will sell here for cost price. You just pre-order it from China, you bring it here, and then you sell it out for prices that people will even rush you. So mini importation is also a side hustle that you don't even need this if you know your way how to go about the 1688, or if you have an agent that can help you buy. You source for things that, yeah, when you want to buy it is very expensive, but right there it is very 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 affordable, that even if you go into the mini importation you will still see your gain. Yeah, you don't even need to buy plenty, just few. You can start with few, you don't need much. So why does this work is because trendy products sell themselves. Like, yes, when you know things are trending and this is very very affordable at your own place, people will rush you. Yes, people will rush you. The next one doesn't even require you even selling any physical product or anything like that. So side hustle three is content creation. Yes, you don't even need big camera. Just as I'm sharing information to you, you don't even need big camera. You don't need this, you don't need that. Just if you have any knowledge that you want to share, you can just take your camera. You can just take your camera, take your tripod, your phone, camera, take your tripod, and then you are good to go. So you just share helpful informations, relatable informations. You just create a short clip and then you just say something valuable, something important, something that people will learn from. Yes, yes, yes. Content creation too is also a side hustle that you can do, that you can make money from. Why it works is because platform pay for attention. This next one, you don't even need to even show your face. You don't need to show your face for this particular one. I thought before is simple online services. You also make money by helping people online, editing, posting content online. Yes, people also pay for that. Typing, assisting people online, there, that, like that. That I don't even need to be perfect. There are some persons that will even need help at some point. That please, even if you know how to do, you know the basic, just come and help me relieve stress. You get. So why this works is because business need help, not perfection. Then this last one is the fastest way to start. This last one I'm going to tell you is the fastest way to start. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do it to subscribe, so that when I post business tips like this, when I post helpful tips like this, you will be the first to know. Yes, please click on the subscription button, please. Side hustle is local services. Yes, local services, fast cash. This is helping people around you do laundry, run errands, things that once you do it immediately they will pay you. Like also car wash and the rest. You don't even need certificate for this one. If you are good at it, you are good at it. So yeah, this is another one that you can use to make money, cool money. Why this works is because people pay for time. Yeah, people pay for time. So you can pick one from all these side hustles I've given. Don't overthink it. Don't put pressure on yourself. Don't take things too hard on yourself. You're just starting out. So you don't need to overthink it. Tell me one that you'll be going for in the comment section, and then I'll also give you tips on how to go about it. So see you on my next video. Bye.